Hi folks, it's Chris in Arena Recording Studio with another quick one for you. One of the things I get asked all the time is, Chris, I'm going to go into the local music shop, I'm going to pick up a guitar and I haven't got a clue what to play. I don't know whether to play one of my songs I've learned with you on the lessons, or try and show off, or try and play it safe. Do you know what I do after 40 odd years of playing these things and working with guitars every single day? I always play it safe no matter what I'm playing. So for me, I like to listen to how an instrument resonates when I go into a music shop and play it. And one of the best things that resonates is the open E string. And I love to play a chord progression or a chord sequence that's really simple, but I can hear the resonance tone of the acoustic guitar. And the way that I do that is literally by playing an E major chord. And the beauty of this is you hear all 6 strings. You're not kind of stifling anything with other chords. You know, you're creating an opportunity to listen to how this instrument resonates. So I would play an E major chord, and then I would move that shape up to the 6th fret, keeping the E major shape, slide it up to the 6th fret, which gives you a really pretty sound, and slide it up 2 more frets for an even prettier, an even nicer sound. And then I like to play with a little bit of dynamic content, so I'll pick a simple strum and then I'll vary the volume as I strum it. Something like this. What am I listening for? Listening for on that are the low end and the high end of how the guitar sounds, and using the dynamic range of the strum by variances, I get to see how this instrument responds at low volume, mid volume and high volume as well. Some of the things that I see, you know, with the classic things of when we go into music shops and everybody plays Stairway to Heaven, don't do it anymore, or Seven Nation Army and all these kinds of things. It's all well and good playing your riffs, but if you're going to buy a guitar, you want to know what it sounds like and what the instrument resonance of it is. You know, if it's got a boxy, middly tonality or anything like that, then if that's what you're looking for, you're going to enhance that by playing from low to high in your. Then if you're happy with that, you could pick them. It's all one chord. Now for me, I know with these old ears that listen to things, music production and recording and sound is my life really, I know that just playing that one chord in those 3 positions, I can tell whether I'm going to buy that guitar or not. Whether we've got any serious overtones, whether it's got a little bit too much bass end, whether it's a bit middly. I do like to know how a guitar sounds at different volumes. So playing songs kind of stops you from doing that to a degree. If you're going to play Stairway to Heaven or Highway to Hell or Seven Nation Army, anything along those lines, you're already preconditioned to try and play that at a consistent volume. So this is why something that's bespoke like this is a great way of listening to the tonality and, like I say, the resonance of the guitar. It's a quick one, but hopefully it's a useful one for you for when you go in the music shops. And I must admit, even though it's one chord and you slide it up and down the fretboard, it still sounds pretty cool in my book anyway. So give it a go and try it on various instruments and you'll start to hear the differences on certain guitars as well. So again, hopefully it's a little bit of use for you. Please comment, let me know what you think and how you've gone on, and I'll respond to each comment personally, I always do. As always, try and give the channel a like and a subscribe, because again, it does make my day, and I will speak to you personally in the not too distant future on anything. And as always, stay safe, stay well, and keep on rocking in the free world.